Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon, and today I'm gonna talk to you about one of the most important objects in my life. This is an Catholic necklace, and it is important in my life because it's just like I have a little part of my grandma with me. She died 2 years ago of cancer, and it was one of the most difficult moments in my life because she was one of the most important in my life. So when I miss her, I look it and I remember all her teachings. I feel that I am a little more stronger woman, and I think she is with me sometimes, and I pray to her. I think the things have an emotional value, not economical value. This is just like something that gives you some support or emotional support, and this necklace. It's for me important because it is just like it represents to my grandmother. So thank you so much, and that is all for today.